Did you know our freshwater wildlife is being harmed by plastic pollution every single day? Yet, only about 9 to 10% of plastic waste get recycled, while the rest often ends up in rivers and lakes. This pollution damages ecosystems, harms animals, and makes our water unsafe.
In 2025, moderately polluted rivers increased from 161 to 171.
Many rivers require continuous monitoring and cleaning.
Most city systems only remove waste before separating it into recyclable and composable categories.
This makes recycling less efficient and increases the amount of waste sent to landfills.
Therefore, we created Floatee as a smarter and more sustainable solution.
So our project has three main objectives. First, to design and develop an AI-based floating waste collection system. Second, to automate the separation system using edge impulse technology. Third, to detect different types of floating waste from rivers and lakes using an ESP32 camera.
So what is Floatee? Floatee is an AI-powered floating robot that uses an ESP32 camera and edge impulse machine learning to detect and classify the amount of floating waste.
It automatically separates waste into two categories, which is recyclable and compostable. This benefits the aquaculture and waste management sectors.
Floatee also supports SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation, and SDG 14, which is life below water.
To develop Floatee, we use an ADDIE model, which is a consistent of analyze, design, development, implication, and evaluation. This system began with the ESP32 camera, which is captured an image every 3 seconds. Next, the ESP32 room microprocessor processes the image using edge impulse machine learning. Finally, the servo motor receives the signal and automatically separate the waste.
Our prototype consists of 5 main components. Firstly, a conveyor belt collects floating waste from the water. Secondly, a propeller is used to move the robot across the river, while the solar panel supplies renewable energy to the system. An ESP32 camera filters out floating waste from the water.
Lastly, the main body holds all the electronic components securely. These components work together to collect and classify floating waste efficiently.
After testing our prototype, the ESP32 camera has identified 70% of floating waste and around 50% has been classified as recyclable and compostable. Our flow rate is 0.01 kg per minute, which is equivalent to 0.6 kg per hour. The result shows that Floatee has good potential to improve floating collection waste in rivers.